Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of this KingGee Safety Boots. I got the K27890 model, the Phoenix 6Z. It features a steel toe cap, an Achilles flex, and a memory foam footbed. And it's got a heat resistant outsole that's good for 300 degrees Celsius, and it's also anti-static. So I'll unbox it right now. So as you can see, here's the left and right boot. So on the left boot there's some spare laces, which is pretty nice. Yeah, here's like the outsole of the right boot. It's got this like rubbery material. It's quite like grippy. It's also got like I believe a steel toe as well. Just quite nice. Yeah. It's got a Velcro thing on the side, which comes with a zipper thing, like a zipper, so you can easily put it on or take it off, which is greatly appreciated. Yeah, there's a bunch of like tags stuff here, like anti-static and all that. Just information about the boot, like cleaning instructions. Yeah, antimicrobial. Yes, etc., etc. There's like some of the features about the boot. Alright, that's the unboxing for the KingGee K27890 Phoenix 6Z boot. Thank you for watching.